Ooh. How do you get these on? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos usually about once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, wigs, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter, so please follow me there as well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this EVAHAIR wig. I bought it with my own money. This post is not sponsored, although EVAHAIR, if you want to sponsor me, please, feel free to get in touch. This is not to be confused with Eva Wigs, which I think only does human hair wigs. EVAHAIR does mostly synthetic wigs, except I think they do also sell human hair wigs. So I'm talking about EVAHAIR. So EVAHAIR is a company that's gotten very popular in the last maybe 3 years or so through partnering with influencers. So they've been sending them a lot of free wigs, and then influencers have been wearing them, reviewing them, and that sort of thing. So that's how I found out about this company. I thought the quality of their wigs looked really good. They looked really cute and trendy, so I wanted to try them for myself. Okay, so I ordered this wig on November the 25th. Okay, so this wig is the EVAHAIR angled cut jet black wavy bob synthetic lace front wig. It's $99 US. I spent my own money on it, and it shipped on December the 7th. And what's weird is, compared to some other online shops that I've ordered from, usually they're very good about sending you a confirmation right away, sort of keeping you in the loop, letting you know when they ship the order. So I ordered this, I think, during their Black Friday sale. That makes sense with the timing. So I think they were probably just overwhelmed with orders, which is why it took so long between the 25th of November and the 7th of December for my order to actually be shipped. Yeah, just about a week to for them to send out my order, which was actually fine. It's just like there was no communication in between, which I wasn't a huge fan of, so I wish there was a bit more communication. And then I received it December the 10th. Does that make sense? I guess. So it shipped really quickly, actually. I don't know where they're based out of, but I'm very impressed with that. And yeah, so let's just get into the review of this wig. So the wig came like wrapped really well in like a thick bag, and then it came in this EVAHAIR box. It's got the website on the back, and I ordered 2 wigs, so both of them came in here. 2 wigs. I'm going to be reviewing this dark one. Also came with some bobby pins, which is really nice, and this deluxe wig cap where it's like the stocking kind rather than the mesh kind, which I like. Oh, it actually has 2 of them in here, so that's awesome. I think people prefer this kind more because your bobby pins and hair don't get stuck in all the little webbing from the mesh. There we go. I feel like my head is too big for these, which is shocking because I have a very small head. So I'm trying to cover all of my hair as best as I can. Okay. Came in like just standard bag like this. And then it's got one of these like hairnet type things to keep it in place, which is great for storing them. And then it also has some tissue paper just to sort of keep it shape. Has a little bit of a chemical smell. The hair feels very real. Oh my god. It's like very, very realistic feeling. And then it looks like, ooh, okay, we have a clip in the back, and which I've never seen before on a synthetic wig. And then we have 2 on the front, like side area, and then we have a hook in the back. So you can control how tight you want it. And then of course this is a lace front, so we got lace in the front. So, and it's got a bit of like a widow's peak hairline, which is interesting. I have like barely a widow's peak, but that'll be interesting to see how it hides your hair and just kind of looks more natural. All right, so I'm just gonna cut the lace now. Oh, that is very strange. So there are hooks at the back that I think are supposed to lock into place, like they're like hoops at the back, but there seem to be only hoops on one side. So either you have to pull it and like clasp the two hooks together like this. You can't hook them into the little band that's at the back, and normally you can, so that's a little weird. So maybe I won't hook it in. I'm noticing the hair is shedding a little bit, but I did just trim the lace, so I'm not super worried about that. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to clasp the hooks together because it is a bit loose otherwise. Ooh, I'm just gonna use the combs. I forget what I called these. Wow, this is a very full head of hair that I've got here. I'm just going to brush it out. And there doesn't seem to be a part, which is a little strange, but I'm going to be accessorizing it with a hat, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm just going to glue down the hairline, so I'll be right back. I'm just going to put some along, like kind of right in front of where the wig cap is sitting. Pull down the lace over it and then just set that. And then with the excess, I'm just going to wipe off, because I went a little low. Alright, so the hair in the front feels very nice. The hair in the back feels like a little bit thin, like I'm worried that you can see, oh, okay, a whole bunch of hair just came out. I'm worried that you can see my real hair underneath, so I'm gonna put on a hat and see how that looks, because I'm not sure how this style is for me personally. Yeah, so that's my first impressions of this wig. Overall, I really, really love it. The material, the like synthetic fibers feel like real hair. So like as far as quality goes, this is definitely 5 out of 5. The style, I'm not sure. It's starting to grow on me a little bit. I'm not sure if I love it on me. I'm not sure if the high-low kind of thing really suits me. It definitely looks really, really cute in the front. I just wish it was a little bit longer in the back, but I think that's more personal preference. But yeah, overall, I really, really like this wig. I definitely think I want to style it a little bit more, but I'm really, really happy with it. It took 2 weeks to get here total, from the time that I ordered it to the time that it arrived. So overall, really not that bad. I just wish there was a little bit more communication from the company as far as like we processed your order, don't worry, your order is coming soon, we're a little backlogged, your order is on its way. And I didn't get a notification about a tracking number, which I was supposed to. I did have a tracking number and I was able to actually go into my orders and see my tracking number and track it, but they didn't actually send me an email like, you know, here's your tracking number, here's a link to track it on like UPS or however they delivered it. So that's kind of like, I wish there was a bit more communication from the company. But yeah, I mean, I definitely think I'd be ordering from them again. The prices were very reasonable and they do have sales regularly. Definitely recommend this company. So thanks, EVAHAIR. Even though this video is not sponsored at all, thanks for making great quality wigs. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think of this wig on me. I'm still kind of on the fence about it. I'm also going to be posting, I just came back from a photo shoot, so I will be posting photos of me out and about in this wig. So stay tuned and follow me on my social media for those photos coming in the next little bit, and I'll see you in my next video.